still not getting that lift, then you go ahead and you reach for the tissue. Put the tissue in. Out there and you're watching and you're like, what is she doing? No, as a matter of fact, how many of you have been doing this? Like, you put your clothes on, but when you look, your girls are all falling down like this, and you have no choice but to pull them up. You have no choice than to be drawing that bra strap like that to keep them up. Just join the bra strap like that, and then when you get home, all the bra strap is just marking you like that. You're doing your best to keep them up. Or if you are a smaller one and you pull it up like that and you're still not getting that lift, then you go ahead and you reach for the tissue. Put the tissue in. Put it all out there. Grab my tissue, put it all out there, give me a better look. Well, if you're tired of doing all of this, guess what? I have the perfect remedy for you. I have this remedy that you can apply, and over time, it will give you a fuller look, less sagging, and it will also give you that nice firmness that you are looking for. So, if you're interested to see how I make this remedy that you can use to enhance, uplift, eliminate tissue, eliminate the extra pulling off the bra strap, follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to show you how to whip it up, and I'm also going to show you how to use it for best result. For this recipe, I'm using about 5 ingredients, 5 simple ingredients. And my first ingredient is going to be a carrot. No surprise at all, since carrot is known to help to boost circulation, rich in vitamin A, vitamin C. It also contains beta carotene. Carrot is widely used in skincare products, and we are using it today in this remedy. Wash, peel, or scrape your carrot, and then I am going to chop the carrot in small pieces since I'm going to be blending. If you do not have a blender, go ahead and grate your carrot and extract the carrot juice. Now, once the carrot is chopped, I'm going to reach for my small blender and I'm going to place the carrot in the blender. Go ahead and squeeze your juice if you're grating. Now, once the carrot is in the blender, we're going to add some water to it. Run about a half a cup or so of water. Add that to the blender. And now I am going to be blending. Go ahead and blend. Once we're done blending, we are going to strain. All we need from this is the carrot juice. So use a strainer or a cheesecloth and strain. After straining, we're going to put the carrot juice aside, and then we're going to reach for our second ingredient. Look what we have here. Here we have cabbage, and you like eating cabbage. Cabbage are used for so many different type of dishes. It's also great for weight loss, but what you might not be aware of is that cabbage is also good for circulation. A lot of new moms tend to use cabbage when it comes on to taking care of their milk flow. So I'm going to put this cabbage in a blender. Once again, you don't have a blender, you can grate the cabbage and extract the juice. Then I'm going to reach for the carrot juice and I'm going to pour it in the blender with the cabbage. You can choose to blend the cabbage and the carrot together if you have a larger blender. And then I am going to be straining. So here we have cabbage and carrot juice combined, and this is the base for our remedy. Now, once this is done, we are going to move on to the next step, and that is to prepare the second base for this remedy. I'm going to be using aloe vera gel, and aloe vera gel has been used in skincare all over the world because it is a great, when I say great, it is a great remedy, products, whatever you want to call it, for your skin. So the pink aloe is rich in antibacterial properties, help with circulation. If you have not tried the pink aloe before, this is your chance. But I'm using both in this recipe. If you don't have the pink aloe, whatever aloe vera gel you have, go ahead and use it, even the fresh aloe vera gel. So 1 tablespoon of pink aloe, 1 tablespoon of green aloe, mixing the two of them together in a bowl. Once that is done, I'm now going to reach for some oils. I'm also going to be using the aloe vera oil in this recipe. No aloe vera oil, use any of the other oils that I'm featuring. Aloe vera oil is just great for this recipe. So I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera oil, pouring this in the aloe vera gel. And now we are going to reach for my next ingredient. And my next ingredient is going to be another oil. And this is papaya oil. Just like the carrot, the papaya oil is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and it's great for circulation. It's great for lightening, brightening. It is great for reducing wrinkles. It is great for tightening and firming. So I'm going to pour about a tablespoon of the papaya seed oil in the bowl with the aloe vera and the aloe vera oil. And now we're going to mix the 4 ingredients together. We're mixing pink aloe, green aloe, and also aloe vera oil with some papaya oil. And take a look how nice and creamy this is getting. If you don't have any of these two oil, another oil you can use is carrot oil or some rosehip seed oil. And now we're going to reach back for our cabbage carrot juice, and we're going to use about 3 tablespoons of the cabbage carrot juice, pouring this in the aloe mixture, and we're mixing it together. So for recap, if you want the recipe, we are using 1 medium carrot, we're using 3 leaves of cabbage, we're using 1 tablespoon of pink aloe, 1 tablespoon green aloe vera gel, we're also using 1 tablespoon of aloe vera oil and 1 tablespoon of papaya oil. That is your recipe right there. And now after totally mixing, our remedy is ready to use. So take a look at this. Here it is. This is your treatment. This is what you're going to use nightly to massage. So store it in the refrigerator or store it on the countertop for about 7 days. If you have vegetable glycerin or vitamin E oil, go ahead, add a few drops for preservative. And now this is ready to use. Live demonstration. Oh, this is YouTube. We can't do that. We cannot show you exactly how to apply. You know what I'm going to do? I am going to show you still. So stay right there. Don't move. Don't move. So just listen to what I'm saying. So you're going to take the remedy and let me turn around and show you how to pour it in your hand. And yes, we have that nice little cover right there. And you don't need a lot, you know. You just need a little bit. So grab the remedy. And you're going to do this every night, okay? You can choose to do it AM and PM, but at least once per day. Choose, I prefer to do it at night. And then we're going to take it like this, and we are going to massage it. So we're going to massage it and just take a look. I like to do it from the side, and I just massage it towards the front. I like to go underneath, and I just scoop it up like that, massaging it, scooping it up like that, massaging it from the side. Go ahead, massage it from the side, and massage each of them for about 2 to 3 minutes. And when they're done, guess what? You are also going to go back and put on one of the tightest one you have. And you might not like this part of it, but if you can, go ahead and sleep in the bra. Go ahead and sleep in the bra, and guess what? Give it at least a 6 week for some form of a result, but with continuous use, you're on your way to a more lift, a more firmer, a more fuller, and looking a little better in your clothes. And guess what? You're now on your way to eliminating the constant tugging and pulling off your bra. And guess what else you avoid doing? You avoid the surgery. Thank you for watching. You like the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to leave those comments. Okay?